Welcome back to As in the Heart. On top of the Chairman television station, Wazobia Max UHF 57 and Wazobia TV channel 98 on top of GoTV cable. And we discuss all of the action to what happen inside Obodo, Nigeria this weekend when pass. So we don't carry 5 interesting stories come. We've been beginning with the rescue of 3 secondary school girls for Baminte Macaulay Junior Seminary for inside Ikorodu. We also talk the one when we say Oga Presido before Chief Olusegun Obasanjo come out, come talk about say the EFCC as them day so now say there be dog when no get it and they no fit bite any bite whatsoever. We talk about the one when we say Oga Fayose carry give the DSS say the way when they don't behave, then they behave like say there be appendage. I go speak English, appendage of the All Progressives Congress. We can talk about security matter inside rivers based on the kilikili when just they happen inside there underground. And finally, the demise of Oga James Ocholi, when we say himself, his wife and his son die inside accident. Will they take your phone calls? They hear your contribution as they concern all this matter, and will they discuss the matter they go?
Yes, Chukudi, we don't also hear waiting Madam Charity also drop about this insecurity matter. She said something, but I don't know how authentic waiting she drop be. Say the people who carry out this thing, don't do it, don't they pre-plan and they don't plan this thing ahead. You understand? Because in the first place, you know, if you can't say you just want to do it, you want to kidnap some certain girls. Say, okay, you don't carry out for mind. So you can just invade the school. You don't know the classes where they get there without even probably having a prior knowledge of say, okay, oh, these girls and these girls, so see where and where they see their movement, see how they take waka. So that once they go, will they strike immediately, carry the girl, come out. You understand? So that's also tell you, say, the level of security both around us, this needs to be properly checkmated. We need to check and well, because for you to even get delivered, say you don't pre-plan something, can eventually succeed in carrying out that thing. I tell you, say somehow, even for the school self, I understand the issue of security also needs to be addressed. True. Because it's a general thing. Say okay, say we face security challenges, but for us to also say people look himself finish, put something for down. Put out plans, in the end, constantly succeed without even having a hint, ideas, okay, see what these people want plan. Then we need to, that's what we will need to address. We get a caller right now. Oga Chukudi, good morning. Welcome to Ask in the Heart. Good morning.
Good morning, Chukudi, my brother.
We agree to Oga Chukudi. Welcome back.
Thank you very much. I've been around, just that network has been preventing me from getting
Okay.
All right, what I want to talk is for the Minister of Labour, Junior Minister of Labour that died in the auto crash. Honestly, it's a very tragic experience. But what I want to talk there is say, most of these drivers, where they drive these gas for road, if you stay by the side, see how these convoy people, they drive motor for road, you go feel say their own death, their own life, like they hang them for tree. It's a high time government should caution their drivers who drive these gas on the road. And also, these gas should advise their driver. If you tell your driver, please, don't speed more than 80 kilometers per hour or so. He will not exceed that. But most times, you see these gas, they will just stop their driver. Please go, I'm going late. Let's move faster. And the whole thing becomes, I mean, if you bypass them on the road, you think that they are going to, either they're going to hell or they're going to heaven. I don't know. So what I'm trying to say in effect is that government should, one, put speed limit to all these their government cars so that the drivers will know when they are exceeding their limit. Two, these gas will caution their driver not to overspeed. At times, if you see these convoy drivers that carry money, oh my dear brother, you will think that what is happening. So it's a high time road safety should have a role to play. Impound these vehicles. At times, if you are on a traffic jam, the government convoy will bypass, run one way, just to make people feel intimidated. So I believe government has a role to do that. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Oga Chukudi.
Thank you very much for providing solutions to this particular problem. We know say accidents they happen, but this one's where you don't talk. That is when we say we need to imbibe. Oga Igo, they call us all the way from Abuja. Thank you very much for your patience and welcome to As in the Heart.
Oga Chukudi, I greet you. Good morning.
I greet you, Oga Igo.
Oga Okubi, I greet you.
I greet you too, Oga Igo. Good morning and welcome back to As in the Heart.
Yes, onto the matter of today, I want to give a big thank you to Lagos State Governor. A big thank you to all the uniform people for Lagos for the good work when you say they do to restore those girls back to their parents. According to the governor promised he will bring back the girls, and according to the word, he does fulfill them. And I did very, very happy for that promise. Onto the issue of this man when he stayed there too. According to the last caller, he said the way all those drivers they drive say you know good. But I will try to tell and say there's a difference between you drive normal car and the way you drive a convoy car. First when you be say they carry governor, they carry big person, maybe where they work like all those ministers or all those things. You know they expect that when you say you drive your normal personal car where you drive to travel. There's a difference between you driving a convoy car and your own personal car.
Okay, what will be the difference? What will be the difference?
The difference is that those people they carry, they are VIPs. Are you getting me? You don't know you yourself as you drive. You cannot say the way you go drive your personal car and say you drive off a road. Now you don't say you carry your family. You get me? But when you carry some VIPs, you don't expect to drive. Say you want day for road, you day for one place. You want driver. You don't know who you. You don't know the way. You don't know your enemy. You say what attack. You want to say the way they carry. You want carry like President Muhammad Buhari now. The way you say carry. Not because you say carry this thing. Because you go drive with caution. You go drive with you watch your side. You don't know who they come. You don't observe. So it's so kind of notice where they happen. You may not blame the driver. Because at times you go drive slow. Say come on, take it fast. So you don't go blame someone there. And even the tire bus. Even to new tire when you buy today, anything can happen to that. This life where they live and God has it. So what if we say we don't lost time? You have to say we'll try to get somebody to say go to the place. We'll go feed out back again. Now what I see with that one. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much
for this your important contribution. You don't raise very, very salient points, and we also appreciate them well. But at the end of the day, they're very important. Make everybody they're very cautious for road because not only you they use them, other people self they use them. Make you not put other people for inside danger. Oga Emmanuel, they call us all the way from Ogun State. Oga Emma, good morning and welcome to As See the Hot.
Good morning, Emma.
Oga Emmanuel, you did here? It be like say the network no gree Oga Emmanuel to make an important contribution. It gets one particular interesting story when we say it be like say because we discuss these other ones, we just come out eye on top. And this one get to do with the security situation inside Rivers State. In the recent weeks when just passed, we don't see some kind of cases when we say some kind of security breach when they happen for inside Rivers, but nobody they took eye on top. I recall say the campaign office of Senator Magnus Abe, when we say go participate for the rerun for inside the elections for Rivers State, then burn them down. And they may complain, say, now people from this other party, now then do them. And some other incidents when go happen, it go be like say that they trade blame, say now one party do them, now the other party they do them. It go be very, very important make our relevant security operatives, make them step up their game to ensure, say, people go there very, very safe. Because the chieftain of the APC, when we say they buy for inside Rivers State there, in daughter, 16-year-old daughter, carry her mouth, explain the thing when happened to her papa, say she see as they cut the neck of her papa. That thing is something when we say they're very, very sad because he don't paint picture of her mind and she no go forget. We get one of our callers from inside Ikorodu. Good morning and welcome to As See the Hot.
Good morning, Chukwude.
Good morning. What will be your name?
My name is Stephen. I come from Ikorodu.
Okay, Stephen, welcome to As See the Hot.
Okay. You people are doing a great job. Bro.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
The thing, the one where I won't put mask now, that's a delay issue.
Okay, feel free.
You know, that man, they talk truth, but Nigeria, they see him on in the way of politics. I will give you an example. We make they talk like that. When they say DSS, now one-sided that they work. When they do election for Bayelsa, everybody hear what thing happened. People who died. Even when PDC man, they say people die. APC man, they say nobody died. But people die. When the election finish, we think the government of these days will arrest favor because no immunity they cover them now. Nothing they cover them. They free now. Nobody. Upon people will die. You hear about Aliko for the state, will come out for television, talk how they carry the election. But because of say they no give them a chief of staff, say you need to talk them. We believe say by this time, yes, for don't pick them. But don't that say no be PDP man. This man is free now walking around. So they baffle me when something happen. This person commit crime. You know if he even ask how this thing happen. If they go about political opponent, thinking that now like that will solve our problem. You know, go fit solve our problem. When you treat everybody equal, we go know people go sit up. But you see, say some people now for River State, the governor don't they say if this person won't arrest you, resist the arrest. That will show that there's trouble. There's before you know it, numbers of people go die.
Okay, Stephen,
thank you very much for this
much.
important contribution. We don't note this particular one down, and we go elaborate on top of it when we take this call from Eloho. Eloho, they call us all the way from Ajegule. Eloho, good morning and welcome to As It Dey Hot.
Good morning, Nkubi and Chukudi.
We dey greet you.
Our people say the stick won't come out for water, not the capside canoe. We thank God, say those children, when they kidnap, they don't get them back. But now make government, make all school authority put standard security down for their school. When you go to most of these schools now, old people now be security person. I old man when don't old fit protect children. Number one. As for this killy for rivers, the people when they kill, blood can't enter their eye like Dracula. Every day they kill, every day they go they kill people, every day they kill people. It's not fair. May they hold somebody responsible. If you be our governor, you should be able to protect all of us, whether you like it or not. For the DSS thing with Fayose, you discover that if Fayose come out now and that governor enter, now the same thing will happen again. Where would they head to for this country? So painful. See that man now when don't die with the minister. Waiting cause and you know people drive jeep like that's not a speed racer car. It's not a speedy car. You are supposed to drive slowly. The people say you carry a VIP. If not poor person, they kill uncle. Because of say them be better people, now we hear the story. You know how many people they don't they kill. Speed limit, if you they travel, they say do not exceed 60 to 100 kilometers. Somebody just do run because if that car is slow, they no go die like that. It is so rest in peace. So may God bless on that.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for this important contribution when we say you don't drop. The incident will happen with Oga James Ocholi now something when we say they're very, very sad. Even though we know saying now something when it happen, just like what Oga Igor talk, say in the case when we say the attire when they for back, now in boss, come make the thing some assault. But it go still good. Since we know say nobody feel talk wetin happen for road, e go good make we dey very, very cautious and very, very careful. Like wetin Elo tell us all the way from Ajegule. E get some people when we say they don dey involved for accidents when get to do with the convoy of some kind BB people. But it can't be like say nobody hear of that particular story. So it go good if we dey use road, make we dey careful for ourselves and every other person. We get Oga Bobby all the way from Amsterdam. Oga Bobby, good morning and welcome to As It Dey Hot.
Oga Bobby, good morning.
Oga Bobby, you there there?
Oh, good morning.
Good morning, Oga Bobby.
How are they?
We dey fine, we dey fine.
I want you to come up for the accident matter, you know.
Okay, we dey hear you.
The TV say people when they drive all those convoyed cars, the way that they drive sometimes, they be like say they carry nuclear weapon. You know, and even they even carry nuclear weapon for our bros if they need to drive like that. They suffering if a hold up they mind that hold up. You understand me now? Patient 9 day. We need to exercise patient, it might be the problem. You know, no matter how you speed reach you go see reach the journey when you go. That's the thing when we say most Nigeria teams they nobody exercise patience but they drive for road. You know, you're the drive convoy they come convoy go see say go hold up do you go come put on the siren go come one pass corner come out. It's all about to just stay. Then you go maintain the hold up, go before you go see say the hold up go clear. Even that one when they do stuff, it go cost more hold up. It's the same also. So those are the complications when they put for inside ground. You get to mind the way they use. And some of them they abuse them. I remember about 2 years ago when I come Nigeria, they come back to abroad now for airport. Hold up day. Now so this police siren. He just say hold up then and then just on the siren. Wow! He come past corner with speed for gallop before you look now he trick. Not be say anybody they there to block road from him. You go hit trick. You those are accidents when say uncalled for accidents.
Very true.
Uncalled
So
for,
they
yes.
get to mind where they drive.
True.
That's what I got to say.
Very true.
Oga
Oga Bobby, thank you very much for your
much.
important contribution. You self don't reiterate, say, it go good, make we dey very, very patient when every time when they use the road. Zaina, they call us all the way from Isolo. Zaina, good morning and welcome to our City Hot.
Zaina, good morning.
Hello, my people. Good morning.
Good morning.
Na Silas, not the Zena.
Okay, Silas.
no vex.
Good
We go
morning.
collect am now.
Yeah, the Vito now. I want to put for Gacholi when die. So
Feel
Okay.
free.
Would they hear you? Would they hear you?
the death now. One bad thing what happened to this country. This man, I know him personally. The first salary when I received for my life, like the man I pay him. I know they related to the man. No, I come from Delta State. The man na Kogi State. But when I finished school, I approached the man. The man said, "Make I come work with him." So now, gentleman to the call. This man now, man, when they do case for the people who don't get money, the first case when I handle for the guy office, the client no pay any money, and some other cases. Now, reverend for church. I don't know why this kind of thing will happen to this man. Happen to the man, not just the man, to the son and
the
to
wife.
to the wife. And if now one person go die for accident, I know especially now this man. If you notice, if you know him, you go see and say he dey limp because he don't get one bad experience before. Don't first get accident before. So I know sure saying overspeeding, but even if you're not overspeeding, maybe not because of pressure of national issues.
They say
maybe
now
not to
that
meet up.
okay.
It's a very pathetic thing.
Okay.
So I just dey pray God make you accept their soul in peace and to grant the family they left behind the comfort because now huge loss. I don't even know how those families are going to cope.
Well, Oga Silas, we don already talk am say we pray say make them get comfort and we believe say they go get the strength to pass through this particular sad phase for their lives. We get Christian all the way from Ibadan. Christian, good morning and welcome to As E Dey Hot.
Christian, good morning.
Good morning, Kubi and
morning.
Chukode.
We dey greet you, Oga
They hear
Christian.
you.
How na dey?
Would they fine? Would they fine?
Okay. My own contribution is just for the security of the country.
Okay.
Because the problem we're having in this country is that those people that are supposed to secure us, they are busy in looking out of what their own personal gain, what they will gain. Because what we look all of a country that a policeman that's supposed to be protecting, thinking of how to gather intelligence and other this will be on the road looking for police, looking for bus or truck that carry load that he will collect 100 naira or 500 naira from. And you can see the way these people will stop driver that carry only passenger on the road. You would think that they are catch robbers. And the time that they're supposed to, like, okay, for instance, now you reach the station, each of these, I'm talking this in so that those authorities, those their organs that send them, especially all these, when you reach some stations, you will see police, all what they are looking. They are not looking for anything that maybe they are waiting to get, maybe they suspect somebody or gather intelligence or anything. They are looking for any driver or kada that they will arrest, or keke that they will arrest. So let me leave for that one because of other contributions. For instance, all this new federal highway or so that the IG bring out now, that they should, we know why they put them there, that they should park, stay positioned in one place, and be looking out for any suspected vehicle and go after that vehicle, stop that vehicle. This one is no longer the case. What they do now is that they do it as if that they are God. You are going on the road as a driver, moving on the road. Like for instance, now we will believe in traveling because I'm a driver.
Okay.
You will be traveling from Ibadan to Port Harcourt or from Ibadan to Enugu or this and that. You must change like 7,000 naira that you'll be giving police one after the other. Not that you carry contraband. But especially if you are traveling in the night, policeman will stop you. Ask you for if you did not give him that 100 naira that he demand for. He say you want to claim your right. You ask for your driver license, you give him. He will check it. Ask for your papers. He will give you. He will check it. He will know that all your papers are complete. He will put it in the pocket and tell you that nothing you will do. That you must give him that money. And you say that they have whatever. If the IG, which I know that is doing good work for this country, if he's so sincere, he should make phone numbers for those
available.
So that in a situation like that, you know
They
who
will
to
call, yeah.
Very true. They will tell us that they have a patrol, people that are checking in them or whatever. That is not true. And
thank you very much for this solution where we don't give to this particular problem. Say the Inspector General of Police must put numbers down, not be just and know what they do. We go quick rush enter inside this overdue break when we suppose don't go since. When we go come back, now the final bus stop on top of As E Dey Hot, now we go there and we're going to look all these issues. They go no go anywhere. Now still As E Dey Hot. To As E Dey Hot, as we do them every Monday. Now tear over based on all of the action when happen inside the Bodo Nigeria politics. Now we don't carry important stories come. It be like say the one we touch people. Where today get to do with the passing on of our honorable minister, Oga James Ocholi, and the rescue of the kidnapped girls. And when we say some Jaguda people enter Babington, Macaulay Junior Seminary, go back these particular girls. But could be go good make we just address this particular issue. Our former president one particular problem. He talks say the way when the EFCC dey now, say na toothless bulldog. If we can't get president when talk saying they fight corruption, and it be like say na the whole foundation of this government be that when everybody don't agree, and we can't get former president when rule us for 8 years out of they tell us EFCC when we get now na toothless bulldog. Now me say wahala don dey. Now me say wahala don dey.
When no, be from my own man they go here, wait till they go here. But no say
why you no be for your man? Why you dey fear? No, you don't, are you not speaking for fellow Nigerians? Can you see?
Wait.
Why chicken out? Why chicken out at the moment
I
of
want
truth?
to say even when EFCC then be established in 2003, we strength where they exhibit, where they carry out, but the level of strength as at that time. Just like say that, you know, when you are looking for, I can't give you body. Yeah, you can't go back. That body can't stop there. We not can't see any other further body again. Or we not can't see action we supposedly to. Now, waiting, like typical example of waiting we see. Yes, is that time they establish a just body they give person.
So what do they try to talk?
Once they give body
right from time the EFCC na dog we no get it.
I no talk so.
No, now wait.
I don't give instance. I say body. Now example I give say if I give you body, I don't follow up on the body.
So what do they try to be say former president and chief police Obasanjo say na lip service he just na him be hypocrite.
I know use lip service. I know
say he no do what he supposed to.
Not my own mouth to go hear am because Oga Samali they call us. They call us back, please. Thank you. Good morning, Oga Samali. Welcome back to As E Dey Hot.
Ukubi, I'm back again.
Yes, will they hear you?
Yes. This issue of EFCC, I've said it times without number. Bulldog.
Very true.
The inception of EFCC point to who is having long James. Look in the prison. No, you just mentioned.
That's why now waiting me and Chuku they try rob mines over. They try rob mines.
To me, it's a totally bulldog. It's a totally bulldog. EFCC to me, even his job now, his performance is 29th of May.
Oga Samali, thank you very much for this second call.
Get Oga Okay there on the line. They call us from Calabar. It will be our final call. Oga Okay, thank you for your patience. Welcome to As E Dey Hot.
Good morning, my two gentlemen.
Good morning, Oga Okay.
How that day?
We dey fine.
I wish you a happy new week.
I will wish you the same.
Make a shook man. First of all, I want shook man for doing away our vice talk for Aston Villa Chapel.
Chapel, yeah.
That thing where she talk, she don't talk at all. If you watch all these days now,
girls.
Young girls now we they hear for news for internet everywhere where they always get problem. It's hard time when Nigerian government will come out. We go to protect our girls because what do they see now? Today they don't kidnap this one. Tomorrow they don't. You know they happen to our nation. So they need law we go to protect them, we go to guide them. I beg. And again, for the EFCC matter, our former president don't talk. My brother, they're not working. They're not working because, like I said earlier on this our program, if it is my team, then come follow me, they find them. I know if you find my team, no.
Very, very true.
So they need to put eyes. I mean, they need to seek advice from our former, right? Making at least give them guidelines.
Very, very true. We don't hold that your advice, but because of say time no day, we appreciate the fact say you dey patient and you don't contribute. When they talk about say Nigeria in our country, no go spoil. If we comot eye for things when they happen for this Nigeria, who go chook eye on top to look better? So it is very, very good. Make all of us take advantage of this platform when as the hot don't bring. Continue to discuss this matter they go. Not be just to talk and clean mouth, but talk and demand say our leaders make them do the right thing. Until we come back again tomorrow with another topic where they come up plenty smoke. We thank all the people when call. Those when we say they call, connect. Those when and it can't be like say the thing called because of network. We appreciate all of una. Nkubi.
Yes, until tomorrow we'll go bring another Ogbonge matter coming away from you, Nkubi. Now bye bye.
If you just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.